Hello students, this is the notes for multiplying binomials using the FOIL method. Please make sure you're taking notes to use later. FOIL is just a fancy way of distributing, and it actually is an acronym that stands for F stands for first terms. O stands for outer terms. I stands for inner terms. And then L stands for last terms. We're going to use these steps as we work through multiplying two binomials. So to use FOIL, step 1, multiply the terms as indicated in FOIL. Those steps we just broke down. And then your last step will be to combine like terms. I'm going to show you a few examples of what this looks like. So FOIL, again, stands for first, outer, inner, and last. So first we're going to multiply the first two terms. So x times x is x squared. And then we multiply the outer terms, so the terms on the outside. So it would be x times 4. It's a positive 4, so we're going to put plus 4x. And we're going to multiply the inner terms. 3 times x is 3x. And then the last terms, 3 times 4 is 12. Now that we've followed the steps of FOIL, my last step is to combine like terms. So you're going to see that you can combine the two in the middle. So we're going to end up with x squared plus 4x plus 3x is 7x plus 12. And this is our answer. We're going to do two more examples. Again, first, multiplying the first two terms, x squared, outer, x times 3, it's positive 3, so positive 3x, inner, negative 8 times x is negative 8x, and last, negative 8 times 3 is negative 24. Again, combine the middle two terms. Positive 3x minus 8x is a negative. A negative minus 5x minus 24. And then our last example, again we do first, 2x times x is 2x squared. Outer, 2x times 5 is 10x. Inner, 4x. And last, plus 20. Make sure to pay attention to your signs. If it's positive, put a plus sign. If it's negative, put a minus sign. And then, of course, our last step, combine like terms. 10x plus 4x is 14x plus 20. Let me know if you have any questions. That's it.